Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to tell you what is the salary and what is the starting position on the cruise ship of all the department you can work on. So guys, please watch this video till the end. So guys, before I start this video, I want to make myself very clear. The salary and the starting position which I'm telling you, it will always differ company to company. For example, if one company you're working as a waiter, you're getting $900. So another company might pay you $1,000. So it will be very close to each other. It won't be like 900, another company is paying 5,000. So it won't be like that. So please forgive me if my information does not match your current salary in certain company, because it's always differ company to company. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon also, because if you hit that bell icon, whenever I'm posting a new video, you will get a notification, guys. So it is a small request from myself. So guys, I don't want to waste more time and I want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. Awesome. Number 24, we have around 24 department which I'm going to tell you the salary and the working position. So now we have the storekeeper, as the name defined, the storekeeping job on board. So their duty is to take care of their stores, and what position you start from is the assistant storekeeper, and the salary which you get is around $900 to $1,200. So guys, I will be making a dedicated video on this department, but wait for the timing. 23, we have Galley utility, and in this there are 3 sub departments, which is dishwasher, pot washer and the galley cleaner. And I've already made a video. If you want to know the detail about this department, please watch this video. You will get all the information you want how to get selected on a cruise ship as a galley utility guy. Now the salary, and it's $400 to $700. I know guys, this is your reaction after knowing the salary is so less, because the amount of work they do, it's very difficult and heavy also. But this is a life, what to say. Number 22, we have the F&B department, and now this is a very important department on a cruise ship because it is related to food and beverages. I have already made a video, what will be your life and work on a cruise ship, first contract as a F&B waiter. So please watch this video on my channel. Now work position, what position you're going to start from? And the answer is snack waiter or a buffet steward. Now this both name is one in the same, no difference. Maybe in some other company they say it some other way. So this is the work position. Now what is the salary? Salary is around $700 to $1,000 a month. 21, we have the bar department. Now this is the one of the highest paid department in F&B department. Now what position you going to start your career from? You're going to start from the bar utility. Now what is the salary you start? $600 to $800. Yes, don't get angry, it is less, I know, but in the beginning it's less, but later on it will be humongous. Now I have already made a video, this is the video. You can go to my channel and you'll know everything about the bar department. Now number 20, and what we have the spa department. Now this is one department where a lot of girls want to work because it's a spa related. What position you're going to start from? Now this department also have many sub department. For example, spa therapist, beauty therapist, hairdresser, personal trainer and nail technicians. Now these are the sub department in one department which is called a spa department. Now, what is the salary you're going to earn? That is very important. And the salary is around 800 to $2,000. Yes, this is your expression because $2,000 is not less, but with incentive. Now, I have already made a video on hair specialist, not any other department, hair specialist. So you should definitely go and watch it, and you will get little bit of idea of every department because this all department are interconnected. Number 19. Any guesses which department? Yes, you have guesses right. It's a kitchen, the galley department. And I know you must be waiting for this department because it's a huge department and a lot of Indian work in this department. Now, what is the work position you're going to start from? You're going to start from Commie 2 or Commie 1. And what is the salary you're going to get? You're going to get a salary 800 to $1,200. And guys, I have already made one video, which is this one. You'll find this video on my channel, the kitchen positions and their salary. So I have explained in the detail and even the work duties. And one more thing, guys, I want to share. There are other departments like bakery is there, pastry is there, butcher is there. The salary which I am saying about the Commie 1 and Commie 2, if you start from this department, is one and the same. Number 18, we have the security department. Now, what work position you start from? You start from security guard. There are other position also, but security guard is the beginning. What is the salary? The whooping salary is $1,200 to $1,800. It is good, believe me, as a security. I have already made one video. You can check this video on my channel. You'll get the detailed information how to get selected on a cruise ship as a security officer. Now, number 17, we have the housekeeping department. Now, what position we start from? We start from the housekeeping utility. Now, what is the salary? Is around 500 to 700. Yes, guys, even I feel crying because the utility, more work, less salary. So guys, I have already made a video. You'll find this video on my channel. And if you want to apply in a housekeeping department, you'll get all the information you require to apply for a housekeeping department in a housekeeping utility. Now, number 16, we have the laundry department. Now, what position we going to start from? Now we're going to start from the laundry boy. There are many positions, but the starting position is the laundry boy. What is the salary we're going to earn? Is 600 to 900. Well guys, I hope you like this video. I know you must be thinking, where is my department? But guys, don't worry, this was just part 1. I'll be making part 2 also. All I request you to do is subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. So whenever I'm going to upload part 2, you will get a notification. And in that, I'm sure your department will be covered. Their salary and their work position. So for that, bye from Cruising with Goldie.